Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all methods that allow you to factory reset OnePlus Nord for 5G. If you want to hard reset your device, you have two options. The first option is by going to settings. So let's head to the settings, and then over here we want to scroll down and go to system and update. Over here we need to choose backup and reset, reset phone, and then erase all data. Then you need to enter the password for your lock screen and then confirm that you want to erase data. So this is one way that allows you to reset to the factory settings. Now another way to perform the factory reset to erase everything from the phone and start all over again is by using the recovery mode. And in order to do that, we need to press the power button and volume up button in order to open the power menu. One more time. There we go. And we need to power off our device first. So let's power it off. Let's wait for the device to turn off. Once it is off, you want to press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. So press and hold it, the power button and volume down, and keep holding it until you see the OnePlus logo. Then you want to release both buttons. Now we need to wait a couple of seconds for the languages to show up. Now we have the language selection, and you want to select English, probably, right? And over here you have the format data, so you want to select this option in order to perform the hard reset, and then you need to enter the code that is visible over here, and then simply proceed with the instructions if there are any. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!